Chemchris JAMB tutorial video, and in this series of video we are going to actually focus on what the calculation aspect of JAMB chemistry. So this video is going to actually help you to understand chemistry faster, because if you try to do it on your own, you may not actually what cover up before time. So this series video is to actually what breaks down the calculation aspects of chemistry for you. So if you are about to write JAMB or you are preparing for your JAMB, then this video series is going to be for you, right? Because it's going to help you cover a lot in a short time. And we are going to dive into the main stuff, because most of the questions we'll be doing, they are purely what JAMB. So if you are new here and you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because we upload content twice or thrice every week, right? But in this video, I'm going to look at what more concept. Here I'm going to give you what the 3 formulas in calculating mole, and I'm going to show you how you can actually apply those formulas in solving variety of what questions in JAMB, right? Make sure you stay to the end of this video. So the first thing you want to actually do, the first calculation you want to actually master in JAMB is what? The mole concept. And the easiest way to solve mole concept is what? The formula method. Although we also have other methods which some other textbooks use. But now, if you actually want to master and understand mole concept calculation very fast, is what? The formula method. And we have 3 formulas in what calculate what mole concepts. So the first one I want to look at mole, because what mass or what molar mass is okay. So the mass of the compound or the mass of the atom. Then here we have what the molar mass of the compound or what the atomic mass of what the compound. So this is the first formula you want to know to know. The next one is what mole, because what numbers of atoms / what molecule. All are what Na. Na is what is the Avogadros constant, where Na is equal to what 6.02 exponential what 20 3. So now this is what is what's called what Na. Then the last one mole equals what volume of what substance. All are what volume at what STP. To get that volume of substance all about what volume at STP. So it can either be an atom or a compound, right? The volume at STP, volume at STP is always equal to 22.4 what dm3. Now with this formula here, you can easily what solve any mole concept what calculation. So I'm going to walk you through how you can use this one. How you can use this 3 formula to what calculate what mole concept. So make sure you write them down, because they are very useful formulas you get. So now let's start using them to solve question. What is the molar mass of a substance if 0.40 mole of the substance has a mass of what 25.0 gram, right? So the first one to do is to what write out our parameters. So here they give us what mole of substance as what 0.40 moles, right? Now they also give us mass of the substance to be what 25.0 gram, right? Now what they ask us to look for the molar mass of the what substance, molar mass of what substance is equal to what do what we are actually what looking for. So now, so which one are we going to use? Remember the first one I get to use what mole equals to what mass or what molar mass. Of course, this is what we are going to use, right? Now they are actually asking us to look for the molar mass of this one here. So I want to make Now because we are being given the mole, which is this guy, and we are being given the mass, which is what this guy here, right? So making the molar mass itself formula, what are you going to do here? Cross multiply. And when you cross multiply, you're going to be what? Molar mass times mole equals to what? Mass. Now divide both sides by what? By mole. Divide both sides by what? Mole. Divide both sides by mole. What are you going to get? Now this is what you're going to get. So it means that, yeah, my molar mass is equals to what? Mass over what? Mole. It's okay. So what I'm going to do here is what? Substitute what? My values. Now what's my mass? My mass is what? 25. So it's going to be molar mass. Molar mass equals to what? 20 what? 5.0 what gram over what? Now what's my mole? My mole is what? 0.4 mole, right? So molar mass, if you should divide it, 62.5. So now what will be in gram per what? Mole. Gram per what? Per mole. So this is how to solve it, right? Now let's look at another one. This second question is a little bit technical, so I would like you all to pay close attention. Calculate the mass of chlorine gas, which occupies a volume of what? 1.12 dm³ at what? STP. So solution here. So the first one to be here, now we are being asked to calculate mass of what? Cl2 gas, right? Chlorine gas, which what we are looking for. Now the way for that to give what? Volume of what? Cl2 to be what? 1.12 dm³ at what? STP. So how are we going to calculate this one here? Now we are going to link two formula, right? First we want to do here is to what? Link the formula here. Now what is the formula that relate mass, and what is the formula that relate what? Volume, right? So remember the first formula here we have mole equals to what? Mass or what? Molar mass. So that because we are talking about chlorine, going to be what? Mass of what? Cl2, which is the chlorine gas. Molar mass of what? Cl2. So this is what they actually what say we should calculate. Mass of Cl2, right? Now, so which one relate what? Volume of volume. Remember, I also have another formula, the third formula, mole equals to what? Volume of what? Substance. Or what? Volume at what? STP. Right, which was 22.4 dm³. Right? I believe you can see remember this formula here. Now, because it involves chlorine, now going to do what? Mole equals what? Volume of what? Cl2 all at what? 22.4 what? dm³. So that now we are being asked to calculate this one here. We are being given this one here. So we are going to relate these two formula here. So how do we relate that? Going to do what? Mass of what? Cl2 all at what? Molar mass of what? Cl2 equals to what? Volume of what? Cl2 all at what? 22.4 what? dm³. Remember, we are calculating this guy here, right? So I want to make some sort of formula here by cross multiply. If you cross multiply, do what I'm going to get. You do what I'm going to get. It's going to be what? Mass of what? Cl2 equals to what? This times this divided by this. So it's going to be molar mass of what? Cl2 times volume of what? Cl2, right? All over what? 22.4 dm³. You get that 22.4 dm³. So you can see that making this one instead of formula now, do what I want to get. So remember, the next I want to have to do the molar mass of Cl2 because I know this guy here is already given to me. So when I want molar mass of Cl2, molar mass of Cl2, molar mass of what? Cl2 is going to be what? The atomic mass of chlorine is what? 35. So we're going to be 35.5 times what? 2. We're going to go 71 gram per what? Per mole, right? So now let's substitute our values. Mass of what? Cl2 is equal to what? So the molar mass of Cl2 is what? 71 times volume of what? Cl2 given to me is what? 1.1 1.12 all over what 2.4 DMP 2.4. So multiply your answer, so it will be 3.55 gram. You see that? So this is how to use your formula method to actually calculate what mole concept. We'll be ending this video here. I believe you have gotten a lot of value. How you can use your formula method to calculate what mole concept. But it does not stop here. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, right? So that is the video I'll stop here. So there will be tons of video coming up. So if you enjoy this video and you know that you are going to learn very well, please subscribe to this channel by hitting that red button there. Then turn on the notification bell, because we upload content 3 times a week. And if you have any questions bothering you in JAMB related to what you have done, you can leave it at the comment section, because I'm going to use that as a video in my future video, right? So see you in the next video.